Hello. My name is Gurunath Bandivdekar, roll number 470. My presentation is on seismograph. Now, what is seismograph? The seismographs are the instrument used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. They are installed in the ground throughout the world and they operated as part of seismographic network. In other words, the seismographs means these are the instrument that records seismic waves uh, in the form of records the movement of the earth in relation to a stationary mass on a rotating drum or magnetic tape. A seismograph designed to record vertical ground motion. Seismographs are equipped with electromagnetic sensors that translate ground motion into the electrical voltages. A seismograph aids scientists in detecting earthquakes and measuring several aspects of these events, such as the time at which the earthquake occurred. Next is the epicenter is the location on the surface of the earth below which the earthquake occurred. Third one is the depth below the earth's surface at which the earthquake occurred. And last is the amount of energy released by an earthquake. The seismographs consist of it create more than one type of seismographs is needed to record both vertical and horizontal ground motion. Seismographs the seismographs measure the seismic waves, that is in the surface waves and body waves. uh, the working of the seismograph is so simple. You see in the image the working is relatively simple. It consists of a basic seismograph consists of a solid base having heavy weight suspended from a spring over the base. A pen hangs from the weight and a rotating drum with paper sits below it on the base. The tip of the pen touches the drum. When the earth shakes from an earthquake, the drum rotates and weighted pen moves back and forth, force due to the motion of the seismic waves. The pen records the movement of the drum. The paper recording of an earthquake is called a seismogram. A seismograph is securely mounted onto the surface of of the earth except the mass on the spring. The entirely unit shakes when the earth shakes. The heavyweight mass remains in the same place due to its inertia. The recording device on the mass records the relative motion between itself and the rest of the instrument as seismograph shakes under the mass, thus recording the ground motion in relatively. These mechanisms are no longer manual but instead work by measuring electronic changes produced by the ground motion with respect to the mass. The most high-tech seismographs used by scientists studying earthquakes today are the sophisticated and precise. They are based on the same concept as a basis simple seismograph but use electronics, magnets, and amplifiers to accurately and precisely measure the tiniest ripples in the earth caused by due to earthquake. This is the image showing the different types of waves, that is surface waves and body waves, and the graph is obtained. The advantage of the seismograph is first one, it can detect both lateral and depth variation in physically relevant parameter, that is seismic velocity. Next is it can produce detailed image of the structural features present in the subsurface. Next is can be used to delineate stratigraphic and in some of instances depositional features. And last one is direct detection of the hydrocarbons in some of instances is possible. Uh, Next is disadvantages. The amount of data collected in a survey can rapidly become overwhelming. Next is data is expensive to acquire and the logistic of the data acquisition are more instances than over geophysical methods. The equipment for the acquisition of seismic observation is in general more expensive than equipment required for the other geophysical surveys considered in this set of notes. Last one is direct detection of common contaminants present at levels commonly seen in hazardous waste spills is not possible. Thank you.